We have a 21 millimeter deep.
Now I'm gonna pull back. Advance and get their cheap brands because it's just like that. They're cheap. Silent stop.
Man.
New brake pads, you want to make sure they have the anti-squill shims. See these shims? What you want to do?
Come on here, man.
I'm looking. Go.
You recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Oh, man, I won't even think about it.
Timmy told you that the method is 007. The guy's name is Mechanic. Mechanic. Okay. Shut up, man. Go ahead. I see it.
You want to carry it back?
Do that. Also, what you want to do, once you do that, come back up here and check your brake fluid.